Give up, Russia. Once again, the Crimea Bridge, Moscow's most symbolic and strategic link, has become the center of a powerful Ukrainian strike. This time, the target wasn't the bridge itself, but the materials meant to repair it. According to reports, a Russian convoy carrying construction and repair supplies was moving toward the Crimea Bridge under security. These materials were critical. Concrete segments, metal supports, and technical equipment needed to restore damage from earlier attacks, but the convoy never made it. Before reaching the bridge zone, Ukraine struck. A sudden explosion tore through the supply vehicles. Trucks were destroyed, materials burned, and Russia's repair plans were thrown into chaos once again. To understand why this matters, you need to understand what the Crimea Bridge really is. This bridge is not just a road. It is Russia's main military lifeline, connecting mainland Russia to Crimea, and from there to southern Ukraine. Weapons, fuel, ammunition, food, and troops all move through this route. When the bridge is damaged or threatened, Russian logistics suffer immediately. That's why Moscow keeps trying to fix it, and that's why Ukraine keeps targeting it. This strike sends a brutal message. It doesn't matter how fast you repair. It doesn't matter how much security you deploy. If the supplies can't reach the bridge, repairs are impossible. Military analysts say this attack was not random. Ukraine is now focusing on a new strategy. Instead of only hitting major infrastructure, hit the support system behind it. Destroy the materials, destroy the supply routes, force delays, increase pressure, and it's working. Every failed repair attempt weakens Russia's ability to move forces efficiently. Every destroyed convoy increases costs, and every explosion damages morale. For Russia, the problem is growing, protect the bridge, or protect the convoys, secure the route, or reinforce the front lines. You can't do everything at once, and Ukraine knows that. This is modern warfare, not just about firepower, but about timing, logistics, and precision. As smoke rose from the destroyed convoy, one thing became clear. The Crimea Bridge remains vulnerable, and the fight over it is far from over. Ukraine's message is louder than ever. No repair mission is safe, no supply convoy is untouchable, and no symbol is beyond reach. So the question now is simple. How long can Russia keep repairing a bridge that keeps getting broken? Because at this pace, every attempt to fix it only becomes another target. Give up, Russia.